Okay, hello. You can call me Miss Lily. Yeah, Miss Lily. So the roles are who wants to be so timekeeper and a process observer. Who wants to be timekeeper? Okay, Carla, you can be the timekeeper. Who wants to be process observer? So, hi guys, how are you feeling today? Okay, so who wants to be a timekeeper? You can be a timekeeper. Who wants to be a process observer? Okay, so today we're going to learn about fractions in picture form, and today we're gonna be learning about fractions and like a word problem, and then does anybody know the answer to why fractions are important in our life? If you're at like a party or something, they will ask you to split it into like 7 sevenths, but you would not know like how to split it because you do not know fractions. So it's like how do I split 7 sevenths? And then they will ask you to cut a size for paper for the airplane. You won't know what size to cut it because you won't. If he says cut 4 sevenths, you won't know to cut the paper into 4 sevenths because you wouldn't know fractions. And also another reason, because another example for that is because let's say your mom wants water and you say how much. She said my mom twice times. I know. And then you said, and then you said how much, and she said 3/4, and then you don't know what fraction is, so you give her 1/4, and that's why fraction is important to her life because we don't know. Okay. Yeah.
All right, move on to the questions, please.
So excited! Our question is going to be what's the x? The x is all this. Good job. Wait, what? How did you get that? Wait, what even is this, Ilya? Okay, so you guys are doing good. So can you guys explain to each other how you got the answers you got? Okay, how did you get the answer that you have? I got the answer because I remember that total means addition. Beautiful. Okay, Hileya, your turn. How did you get what you got?
It's because it's.
Chris, can you please explain your picture?
Okay, so we got 2/5 right here. So like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and
Anybody has any comments about expert group teaching? Okay, Manaya.
So one of my students weren't really like acting really well. Like they were having a good attitude, kind of.
Okay, anybody else? Leila.
My students were really good. They were behaving and like active listening to what I was saying.
Okay, anybody else? Lily.
My students were doing very good. They were also being a little funny too in the beginning when we were doing those. And they were being a good sport even if they got the answer wrong.
Okay, Reyes.
I like expert group teaching because our friends get to be a teacher. And it is fun.
I like expert group teaching because it really helps me and I get to socialize with my friends and it helps me explain what other people have in mind. Expert group teaching is good because if a student was absent and they don't know what to do, an expert group teacher can help them so the teacher doesn't need to if they're busy. I like expert group teaching because it helps like us students like communicate and it like helps us like
cooperate like in like groups and like makes us better like sportsmanship and like a better team.
I like expert group teaching because it teaches kids how to teach, and it also gives Miss Jill a break.